How to fix microphone on Windows 10 Discord. So if you want to fix your microphone on your Discord, then first you need to open up your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, or you can also open up your Discord application if you have. But if you don't have your application, simply go for your discord.com on your browser, click on open Discord and make sure to log into your Discord. And once you've logged in, now here on the bottom left you will have settings icon. Simply click on settings, and under your settings you can simply scroll down, and here you will have voice and video. Click on that, and now you can simply allow your microphone if you have not allowed it. Click on allow, and now you can simply click on let's check. And after that, if you have this kind of like, if it's moving, then it means that your microphone is working. But if it's not moving, then it's not working and you will be having the issue. So simply check that. And after that, click on stop testing. And now you need to check your input volume. So if you don't have your input volume to the full, then you can take it to the full. And after that, here under your input device, if you have default, then it might work. But if it doesn't work, then you can go and choose another options. And after that, scroll down, and under your input mode, if you have your input mode, to the second option, which is push to talk, then you need to change that to your voice activity. And after that, scroll down, and now you need to turn on your soundboard volume and you need to turn that to your full. And again, scroll down, and here you will have always preview video. You need to toggle that on, and again scroll down and turn your echo cancellation. You need to toggle on all of your options, and once you've done that, now your problem might be fixed. So that's how you fix your microphone problem on Discord. And you can also check this one, like you need to simply change this. If you're facing a problem with low sound or high sound, then you can change that and adjust that wherever you like. So that's it. That's how you fix your microphone problem on Discord. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.